हम जा रहे हैं सावया घाट। गाड़ी हमने पार्क कर चुकी है। वहाँ पे ऊपर स्टार्ट पे एक घर है जहाँ पे 50 रुपए लेके आपको पर पर्सन गाड़ी पार्किंग का देगा। वहाँ से राइट टर्न लेके आपको आना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट के पास।
The end of that construction road, you will see Sauraghat Ghat signboard.
I am here with my friends, enjoying the pretty early morning walk to the trails. I'll show you all the views and all the points that we are going to cover today. This beautiful mountains ahead here. We are heading towards the Sauraghat Ghat main point, which is a cliff, and it is surrounded by valleys on all the three sides. You can see beautiful Devkund waterfalls. You can also see the plus ring waterfalls. There are multiple waterfalls.
Just stay tuned for
Just stay tuned for the main location. Main. This is the plus valley ring waterfalls, guys. We are now heading towards the Sauraghat Ghat point, which is basically this point, which is 360 degree. The trail is very steep. It's almost like 60-75 degrees. So we have to walk very carefully. There are people who are struggling here with this. Ketan has height phobia. So, and here we are. The boys are trailing. So we have come down after a tough 65 angle trail. Are mandatory, the grips are important, and here we are heading towards the Sauraghat Ghat main point, towards the deep dense forest. We have to descend the entire mountain that we have climbed, and the descent looks very steep. So guys, अभी descent कर चुके हैं हम लोग. Now it's entire we have to climb up the entire mountain. You can see ahead. I'll just show you from where we started and where we are right now. So here it is. We started from there. You can see few of the people who are trying to come here down from there, and we are all the way. We have crossed this mountain. We have come to the. It's time for us to climb the mountain, guys. Cheer up, guys! Come on. So after a few minutes, we just ended up here. We could see Ranjit has fallen down. को अगर ये सब कुछ दिखता है तो वो खाना नहीं है. These are very harmful for the health. It is poisonous. And we are here at the Plus Valley waterfalls, guys. Just look at the ring waterfalls. This is so mesmerizing, so beautiful. Just took some very good cinematic shots. We have also taken some beautiful drone shots. So now what we are doing is we are heading back to the main point where we have parked the vehicles, and it's gonna be quite a difficult trek now because we have to go all the way up hills, and it's raining, so it's kind of slippery and all. But the view here is just breathtaking. I can't explain in words how beautiful this is. खूप जास्त फॉग होतोय आणि या फॉग मधून आपण रिटर्न जर्नी चालू केलेला आहे. परतीचा प्रवास हा जरा कठीण आहे कारण की पाऊस आलाय, अपहिल चढायचं आहे, स्लिपरी आहे. Always guiding us in the wild. This doggo has always been with us over this journey.
If you ever see dog while hiking, consider it as a good sign.
The trail was insane. Coming back to the base point where we parked our car, exhausting man. सांस ली नहीं जा रही है, सांस फूल चुकी है. अंगद से पूछना चाहूंगा कैसा था भाई?
बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रैक था, मजेदार सिंपल ट्रैक है और एंजॉय करोगे, गंदगी मत करना।